Samsung is not happy. We are just 2 months away from the official launch of the Galaxy S25 series, which could be one of the biggest S series launch ever, now including up to 4 models thanks to the Galaxy S25 Slim. As we know, Samsung's biggest dream was crushed as they couldn't bring Exynos back for the 2025 release. Latest news from Korea exposes just how bad things have gotten with Samsung's Exynos saga. According to Korean media, Samsung's 3nm chip yield is below 20%, which is absolutely unacceptable for the S25 series. In fact, the most insane rumor out of Korea says that Samsung is considering manufacturing Exynos with TSMC. In case you don't know, TSMC is Samsung's biggest rival in the chip market. TSMC making a Samsung Exynos chip, this sounds pride-shattering. So while Samsung is not happy, we are happy because check this out. The latest Geekbench 6 benchmark scores for the US Galaxy S25 Ultra model is here, and I gotta say, these scores are looking incredible. In case you still have any doubts, Universe further cleared today that all Galaxy S25 series models will come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in all markets. Also in the news, here's a complete look at the entire color lineup for the Galaxy S25 series, including the online exclusive colors. Once again, Samsung is looking to bring the most colorful and vibrant lineup of flagship phones. Let me know which color are you looking for in the comment section below. Now guys, one of Samsung's long-awaited software update, which is One UI 7.0, the software that we're going to see inside the S25 series, its first version, the first beta, might be very close to the launch than ever before. According to Tarun on Twitter, Galaxy S24 series was spotted running the first One UI 7 beta build on the test server, meaning we're very close to the beta launch for the Galaxy S24 series. For the S25 series, it's very likely we're going to see the One UI 7.1 version, which makes sense because Samsung is actually planning to release most of exciting new AI features on the One UI 7.1 rather than One UI 7.0. Now last but not the least, something exciting is being cooked in the background as Samsung may be looking to launch a new form factor smartphone or a smart device in 2025. South Korean media is saying that this could be something similar to Huawei's TriFolding phone. Again, Samsung has changed their strategy from not taking too much risk. But as we know, Samsung's mobile head might actually change, which means there could be a new vision for the future, and that could bring some exciting risky products like the first ever tri-folding Samsung phone. So there we go. Exynos is looking as bad as it can be, which is a great news because that means we're getting the best, which is the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.